Om Shanti. Good morning. Essence of Sakar Murli, 10th July 2021. Essence. Sweet children, stabilize yourself in your original religion and say Om Shanti to one another with love. This is also giving regard to one another. Question. Why is there this system of offering bhog to God on the path of devotion as well as here? Answer. Because this is also giving regard to Him. You know that although Shiv Baba is incorporeal and beyond the effect of experiencing anything and doesn't eat anything, the fragrance does reach Him. The Father is the bestower of salvation for all and the purifier. Therefore, bhog must definitely be offered to Him. Song. Our pilgrimage is unique. The essence for dharana is: point number 1. Give real regard to one another and the Father. Although the Father is beyond experiencing anything, you must definitely first offer everything to the one whose bandara is sustaining you. Point number 2. In order to become worthy of worship, become God's helpers. Become a helper of the Father in service. When both you, the soul, and your body become pure, you will be worshipped. Today's blessing is: may you become an embodiment of complete success by performing every action accurately while considering yourself to be responsible. Again, may you become an embodiment of complete success by performing every action accurately while considering yourself to be responsible. At this time, every elevated action of you elevated confluence-aged souls becomes a law for the whole cycle. Therefore, perform every action while considering yourself to be a lawmaker. By doing this, your carelessness will automatically finish. At the confluence age, you are lawmakers, responsible souls. Perform every action with this faith, for your actions performed in the right way will definitely bring you complete success. Slogan. When the Father, the Almighty Authority, is with you, Maya becomes a paper tiger. Again, when the Father, the Almighty Authority, is with you, Maya becomes a paper tiger. Om Shanti.